We are in the process of learning how to drop the lowest grade in a category. In the first video, we created a category and named it Quizzes. Then we assigned the columns for quizzes 1 through 4 to that category. Now we're ready for step 2, creating a total column that will include scores from quizzes 1 through 4, and yet it will drop the lowest quiz score for each student. Let's begin. Mouse over Create Calculated Column and select Total Column. Here we will provide a unique name for our column. For example, Quiz Scores. Scroll down to Select Columns. This is where we will make the selections to include our quizzes category in this new total column that we're creating. So we must click the radio button beside Selected Columns and Categories. Now remember, we've created a category named Quizzes. Here are the Blackboard generated categories, and at the bottom of the list is our Quizzes category. Select it with a left click. Click the arrow to move it over to the Selected Columns box. And now we will tell it to drop one lowest grade. Our next option is to calculate as a running total, and for this type of column we must click No. Include in Grade Center calculation, yes, and the remaining two options are entirely up to you, the instructor. Click Submit. As you recall, when you create a new column, Blackboard places it at the far right side of the Grade Center. I would rather move that column to be just to the right of my quiz number 4. Mouse over Manage, select Column Organization, scroll to the bottom and locate the new column. I'm going to left click on the crossbars to drag this column to its new location, which is going to be right after quiz number 4. Click Submit. And now our new total column for quizzes 1 through 4 is located just to the right of quiz number 4. Now let's observe the scores of the student on the top row. Notice first this total column where this student has 75 points. This is the sum of quiz number 1, 2, 3, and then the low score where the student struggled has been dropped, giving us a total of 75. So now we've accomplished one of our goals. We've created a total column that considers all of the quiz scores but drops the lowest grade. In the next video, our final step is to edit the grand total column that is located in the front of our Grade Center. Please see video 3 for editing the total column.